Now with Lomi Lomi, you probably want to wear kind of loose clothing, stuff that you don't mind getting oil on, because you do get quite a lot of oil on your body because you'll be putting it up your forearms and things like that as well. So it's probably better to have kind of loose clothing, because as you're aware, there was a lot of movement. To feel, it's got enough oil everywhere. We can begin. And the massage with Lomi Lomi is all about movement and flow. Almost imagining you're the ocean. With Lomi, having your whole body exposed means we can work right around the body, and it gives it a different feel of wholeness and wellness. And underneath the client's body there, really nice ones, clasping the hands, nice stretch and hold. Go back and across again. Hold. In all different directions with the sliding underneath the client's back. Keep things up under the top there. And give a nice stretch.